May I know from Honorable Minister whether the red buses flying in the city of Shillong and the state, whether they have to pay taxes or not? Red buses, sir.
Mr. Kushar, this is for commercial vehicles. The question is, and that is red buses.
Mr. Speaker, sir, even the red buses, whether the government treat as a commercial vehicle or the government vehicle, because red buses also, they're taking the bus fees from the passenger who's sitting, sir. That's why I would like to get information from the minister whether the government treat as a government vehicle or commercial vehicle, so that
As a government vehicle.
Sir, if that will be the case, sir, it seems that the government have losses so much of revenue from the red buses. Not only from red buses, even from the maxi taxi cab, which have only been flying the city along the whole state. The two vehicles have been on, they didn't pay taxes, but fees they have collection from the passenger. I would like the minister to take care so that he can generate more revenue in future, sir.
Mr. Speaker, the important suggestion by the other member is noted by me.
So may I know from Honorable Minister, because the year 2020 and the year 21 till date we are facing of the COVID-19 and the pandemic, is there any wave-off scheme for the last 2020 for the commercial vehicles flying in the streets, sir?
Mr. Speaker, yes. The Transport Department has taken consideration to the difficulties faced by our citizens regarding the renewals or validities of various documents related to the Central Motor Vehicle Act 1988 and Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 due to the lockdowns. The government of Mawlai has decided to allow all the documents like fitness, permit, driving license, learner, and registration extra, which has been expired during this period. It has been treated by the government to be valid till September 2021.
I would like me to bring the knowledge of the minister. Even last year, even the minister said that the department has introduced about the wave-off scheme for all those commercial vehicles. Even some of the commercial vehicles in the state, so they have to pay the tax on due date. Even after that, they have a penalty is already charged. Why I'm talking about that, sir? Because some of the local taxi drivers of my constituency, they came and met me last year and informed me about this. That's why I brought this notice. If whatever the case may be, I urge the Honourable Minister, once I have brought house, please kindly look into for the interest of the commercial vehicles owners in the state, sir.
Sir, so I'll examine the matter.